Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next chapter, that is addition or subtraction. Before start the chapter, what you are getting by the word addition? You can see here I have 3 markers, 1, 2 and 3 in my right hand, and in my left hand I have 3 pens. If I said how many markers and pens I have together, so how you are going to get the answer? For that answer, what we have to do? We have to add these 2. 3 markers and 3 pens together become 6. I have 6 markers and pens all together. So this way nothing else we are going to learn the addition. Whenever we are doing the sums of addition, we already started in the previous classes. But I have to recall, we have to recall few things. We are going to pay attention on few specific things which are going to help us to solve the addition sums correctly. Let's see. While adding numbers, we add units to unit, units to unit, tens to tens, hundreds to hundred, and so on. This all means whenever we are adding the unit, so that could be added with the unit place only. The unit place it could not be added with the tens place or any other place. That we have to keep in our mind. Yes, let's start the problem set number 7. See, add the following. So as we learn, here we have the 2, 2, 7, 4, 0, 4, 9, 1, 8, 3, 1. Always we have to start from this right hand side, and unit is going to add into the unit only. So 2 plus 9 will become 11. 1 carry. In the answer we have to write only one digit. If you are getting the 2-digit answer, so unit should be written over here and the digit at the tens place will be carried to the another digit. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Here we got one digit, so it could be here only. 7 plus 8 15. 5 1 carry. 1 plus 0 1 plus 3 4, and 4 plus 1 5. This way we can do the addition. See the next sum. Here we have 7 plus 8 15. 5. We got 2-digit answer, so the digit at the tens place will go for carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. Next digit 100 place will add to the 100 place. 4 plus 6 will become 10. 1 carry. Now unit 10 100 1000 place with the 1000 place. So because of that I have to write all the digit below to the same digit. 1 plus 6 7 plus 0 7. 5 plus 1 6. This way we can do the addition. See the third one. 7 plus 9. These two are at the unit place. We are going to add this. 7 plus 9 16. 6 here. 1 carry. Now you can see 0 is here and 2 is here, but this 0 is at the tens place and this 2 is at the tens place. So we are going to do the addition of these 2. So 1 plus 2 3 plus 0 3. 0 plus 4 4. 4 plus 8 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. This way we have to do. Now the next one. 6 plus 0 6. 1 plus 4 5. 2 plus 5 7. 3 plus 8 11. 1 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. This way we can solve the sums whatever we are given in the arranged form. So here we are not getting so much of the difficulties to solve these kinds of the sums. But if the number of places increased and we are getting the same sum in the difference form like given the add these two numbers, so how we are going to solve it? Let's see. in the next problem set number 8. Question number 1, add. Here we have the question like this. 2, we are going to do the addition. First step, we are going to count the number which have maximum digits. We can see over this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are here. Means maximum digit we can draw this way. Vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. Yes. And horizontally we need to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way we have to set up our base to solve this kind of the sum. We starting to write from the places: unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Now, after that, leave the second line. First, fill up the first number in the starting from the right hand side. So, first one is 1, again 1, 3, 2, 4. That's it. The next number 4, 2, 6, 6, 3, 5, 6. We are doing the addition. Put the addition sign. So wherever we don't have any numbers, put the 0 over there. Yes. Now all the boxes are filled. Now what we have to do? We are going to do the addition. Whatever we did. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 6, 6. Now you have the question in your mind, why I should leave these lines? As because if we are getting the answer 2 digits, so these boxes are for carrying numbers, and the first one is for the places: unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In the first one we are going to write the places. Because of that, there is a very less chance to do the mistakes in the sums. Come for the sum number 2. Again, we are going to start the write the places. The same way we have mentioned the column: unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Yes, the first number we are going to write starting from the right hand side. Leave the second. Third, in the third rows we are going to start 9, 2, 5, 7, 1, 3. Second number 3, 1, 6, 4, 0, 8. Put the addition sign. Now do the addition. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 will be here and 1 carry in the second column. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 6, 11. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 2. And here 3 plus 8, 11. Now after that we don't have any rows and columns, so we have to write both in here only. So it will be 11. This way we can do our addition of the given directly the numbers, and we are going to do the addition of this. Move for the third one. Again unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We have written the place. Now the digits of the first number: 6, 4, 7, 2, 4, 2, 1. Second number's digits: 8, 4, 7, 3, 8, 4, and plus. Here nothing is there, means we are going to do the 0. Addition: 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 8 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 0 1. Now for the question number 4, again unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10. Now put the numbers 6, 3, 6, 2, 1, 4, 2. Second number 8, 5, 0, 9, 1, 3, 2. Put the sign of addition. So start from the right hand side. Always we are going to start the addition from the right hand side. 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 0 6, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 2 4. This way we can do the addition of these sums. Few things we have to remember, we have to keep in our mind. Always we have to draw the columns regarding the maximum digits of the numbers whatever that have, and always we have to start from the right hand side the addition. If you started from this left hand side, that answer could be wrong. So always we have to start from the right hand side, and if you are getting the answer 2 digits, so unit will be at the answer's place and tens will move carry to the another number. Yes, and in the last one, like here, if in the last one, like here, if you got the 2 digits, so in the same box we have to write both the digits. Now move ahead for the word problems. What have to do whenever we are getting the word problem? So I have written few clue words for the addition in the word problem, like sum. If in the word problem we are getting the word sum, total, in all, together, and etc. like these words, so we come to know we are going to do the addition sums. This question is based on the addition we can understand by it. Problem set 9. The word problem is held in the problem set 9. Question number 1. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? As we learn the clue words for the addition. Altogether means we are going to add these two numerals whatever is given in the question. So how we are going to do? Whatever is the given, right? 13 lakhs. We have to write to take proper space. 47,048. This is votes of men. Yes, sorry, women. Votes of women, that is given. The next one is given 1429638. One digit is below to the one digit. Unit is to the unit, tens is the tens, whatever we learn. And this is the votes of men. Now we are going to do the addition of these. So 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8, 0 plus 6 6, 7 plus 9 16, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 1 2. So we got 27,76,686 votes all together. So now we need to write the answer in the form like how many votes were polled all together. So answer altogether 27,76,686 votes polled. This way we can write our answer at the last. Yes. Now the next sum. What will be the sum of smallest and largest 6-digit numbers? Sum means we are going to do the addition of smallest and the largest 6-digit number. So let's start. First one. What is the smallest 6-digit number? That is 1. We have to write 5 zeros. Yes. This way we can say this is smallest 6-digit number. Yes. Now the second biggest 6-digit number, 99999. That is biggest 6-digit number. Yes. We have to do the addition. So unit started with the unit 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 10. It will become 10,99,999. What is this? Sum. Sum of smallest and biggest 6-digit numbers. Yes. Now I have to write the answer. 10,99,999 is the sum of smallest and biggest 6-digit numbers. We have to put the answer in a bracket. This way we can conclude the answer. Move for the next sum. Sum number 3. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend all together? Here also we got the word all together, means we are going to do the addition. Let's start with the solution. The first number we have 807,957. That is cost of tractor. Yes. The next number is we have 90623. Always start from the right hand side. Here we don't have put the 0. That is the cost of thresher. Here we have the cost of thresher. You written. Now do the addition. 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 4 and 8 plus 0, 8. We can say 8,40,566. Cost of both. Yes. Therefore answer should be in the same language. How much money did she spend? She spent 8,40,566 rupees all together. This way we have to write the answer and put that into the bracket. Now come for the next sum. Sum number 4. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meter of cloth last year. This meter cloth last year, and 23,47,056 meter this year. What was the total production for the last 2 years? So total means here also we have to do the addition. Let's start with the solution. The first number 17,24938 meter. That is what production of last year. Production of last year. The second we have here 6, 5, 0, 7, 4, 3, 2. An addition meter. Production of this year. Now do the addition. 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So this way we got 40,71,994 meter production of 2 years. Now our answer in the same form what they are asking, what was the total production for the 2 years. So the total production for 2 years is how much? Was 40,71,994. This is our answer. Put that into the bracket. This way we can solve the sums whatever we have the word problems. First we are going to read the sums carefully and find out the clue words, so we can come to know. We are going to do the addition, and whatever the number are given in the sum, we have to write either this way. Always start the addition from the right hand side and we can get the answer. And whatever we are writing, so we have to write at the right hand side, like the cost of the tractor, cost of the thresher, as we are written over here. After that, the final answer we have to write. This way we can conclude our sum for the word problem. So you have the homework for today. The question number 1 is addition. Here you have the 6 sums for the addition. You are going to do the addition. First you have to count which number has the maximum digit. On the basis of that you have to draw the rows and columns. Here we have the 3 numbers. So one row, number of row will be increased, like we are drawing the 5 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more we need 6. This way we have to draw 6 lines. We will get the perfectly. First one is for the place like unit tens, and second one for the carry. And from this we are going to start. Third one. This way we have to solve the addition. And at the last we have the question number 2, a word problem. If government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 of the TV sets to schools, so what is the total? What is the total amount is spent on this equipment? So here you should be write the cost of the given by the government to the school for the computers and for the TV sets, and we are going to add this. At the last we have to write the answers.